The list of places where you can find wagers of this nature is very short, but one of the best are the South African tracks, where they run rolling pick 3 with results starting in the third race and going all day long. They also feature the $1 exactor and the 20-cent Superfecta. You still have to look at the payouts carefully because they are not always in the order of the current odds on the race. Also determine whether or not the odds are close enough to consider them both as winners. Ranking your contenders is important to structure your bet. You don't want to overbet nor underbet. Keep it simple, sir or madam. Pick 3 to OMNI to cashier. Box $1 OMNIs is a good idea, but you can also wheel a chalk horse with 5 or 6 others. You must interpret the odds. Sometimes a great exactor or superfecta wager presents itself. Take it. Let's hope the longer odds came in. Woohoo!
Good luck. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates on seasonal track changes and opportunities to find that low-hanging fruit. It's harvest time.